All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is turn the steering wheel 90 degrees each way. Once you have it one way, 90 degrees, you grab a flathead screwdriver. Then on the back, you have it this way on the car. On the back, right here will be a spring, a metal spring. You're going to take the flathead screwdriver behind it, push the spring down this way. Spring goes down this way. Once the spring goes in here, either the airbag will pop out or you're going to pull the airbag here. That way it will pop out. Then what you're going to do, it still won't be out, so you're going to have to turn the wheel 90 degrees the other way. Do the same thing on the other side. Just like this. Flathead screwdriver, there'll be, pull the spring this way, it will pop out down here, and then your airbag pops out. Now your airbag will pop out, but you have two connections. This is just the cover. You have two connections. There'll be like a yellow thing here. Unclip it, pull it out, and then there will be another clip down here that you're going to need to unclip. But before you take the airbag out, before you unclip those, you're going to need to disconnect your battery. Since you disconnect your battery, you won't pull a airbag light on your dash and have to have it reset. So you disconnect your battery, then you disconnect the two clips here. After that, you're going to have a steering wheel bolt that you need to take out. Now you can use a T55 for this bolt. It fits. Ugh. Okay. Take this bolt out. It comes out. You're going to have it's going to, right here, is a little marking. Now this will match on the steering wheel shaft. Right here, this little marking here. Ooh, there we go. Now you pay attention to this, because when you put the new steering wheel on, you're going to line this up. That way your steering wheel's straight. Okay, so once you take out this bolt, the steering wheel comes off. All right, now let's disassemble the whole steering wheel. This is just held in by clips. So you're going to take off this trim piece first, and you're going to pull it straight out. There's clips down here, clip here, one in here, here, and here, and then there's two on the back of here. So be careful, because if you pull it out crooked, you'll break these clips. Now once you have this trim out, you're going to pull it straight out, but don't pull too hard, because it's going to be connected with two wires. One for the paddles here, and then there's going to be two wires that connect back of here that give these buttons power and connects them to the car. So these are kind of short, so make sure when you pull, you don't pull too far out, because if this is all the slack you have, if you pull further than this, you're going to tear these wires off or tear these connectors loose. These little connectors have a little clip. Yours might look a little bit different. These are smaller. But you unclip these, and then this whole thing comes out. Okay. Then to take the buttons out, there's these little tabs that you push, and you're going to push it out. They come out this way, straight out. All right, now once you pull these out, they come out this way. You're just going to install them back into the new trim, same way. Just push them in, then reconnect your wires the same way. There'll be a wire that connects this one to here, connect those two after you install it. Once you take out the T20 Torx bits, the paddles come out this way, pull it this way, okay? Because there's a little clip here. So make sure you pull that way. Same on the other edge. From the outside, pull from the outside. They just come off like that. Put the new ones in, same way. Put it in this way first. Screw it back in. Screw both the paddles back in. Then you're gonna put your steering trim on, but connect the buttons, the little wires, and the paddles. Push this back in. Steering wheel back on. Put your bolt back in. T55. Tighten it back in. Make sure when you put it back in, you're paying attention to this. You line this up right here. Whoop. Line that up. Once you got the bolt back in, you're gonna reconnect the airbag. Okay. The two clips on the airbag, reconnect it. You just push the airbag back in after you get the bolts in, just pushes back in, straight on. No, you hit the clips, reconnect your battery, you're good to go.